The gaming venture market is cooling fast. In Q2 of 2025, startups saw a sharp 35% drop in value, raising just over $904 million across 113 deals, along with nearly 20% fewer rounds from the prior quarter. Current run rate activity in 2025 is pacing for a 31.1% pullback in annual deal volume, a notable deceleration after deal activity flattened from 2023 to 2024. Despite gaming's massive consumer base, investors are pulling back, exposing the structural challenges facing developers and platforms alike as the focus on distribution innovation crystallizes further. Capital hasn't disappeared, but it is shifting. Global gaming spend is projected to surpass $200 billion in 2025, eclipsing pandemic highs. Yet, studios face ossified play patterns, oversaturated content supply, and escalating costs. The seed and early stage crunch persists, with deal share declining from nearly 80% of rounds in 2022 to just 60% midway through 2025. Conversely, later stage activity has recovered, jumping from 18 to 22% of deals to nearly 40% over the same time frame. This shift reflects investors' preference for companies with commercial traction, apprehension towards lengthy game development cycles, elevated customer acquisition costs, and entrenched network effects that make the early stage bet riskier. And investors are signaling their trepidation. The number of VCs actively supporting content developers fell to roughly 25% of the year prior, and the lowest mark since 2015 to 2016, while financing from strategics is increasingly prominent. Nevertheless, game studios are still the industry's value creation engine, capturing nearly half of all deals and over 2/3 of disclosed exit value. Game tech, SaaS, and platform deals remained prominent, raising over $500 million in Q2, led by Runway's $307 million Series D, as investors lean into tools powered by generative AI to cut development costs and speed time to market. All of this comes as consumer demand for interactive entertainment remains robust. Over 50 million viewers tuned in to the Summer Games Fest live stream, and 72 million watched Gamescom this year. Exits also remain scarce, with the few premium assets like Dream Games attracting buyers and a dearth of viable IPO candidates relative to other industries.